Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we spotlight rare and classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Let's dive into 15 more standout vintage machines on today's market. Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson Sturgis, $5,500, Irwin, Pennsylvania. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Sturgis is a special model in Harley history, marking the first year of the factory belt drive primary system and produced in limited numbers, with approximately 1,470 units built. Finished in black with a clean title, this example is described as running well and fitted with a brand new battery. As one of the early Evolution-era transition bikes still powered by the shovelhead engine, the Sturgis represents an important bridge between classic Harley tradition and modern updates. For collectors seeking a limited production model with historical significance, this bike offers rarity at a reasonable entry price. Number 2. 1982 Honda GL500 Silver Wing, $2,000, Douglasville, Georgia. The 1982 Honda GL500 Silver Wing is powered by a liquid-cooled transverse V-twin engine known for durability and smooth touring capability. This used example runs and drives, making it a functional vintage sport touring machine. It does require attention to the front brake line unless addressed prior to sale, but otherwise presents as a usable classic. The GL500 platform is appreciated for its shaft drive, comfortable ergonomics, and reliable engineering. At $2,000, it offers affordable entry into early 1980s Honda touring performance. Number 3. 1969 Triumph Tiger, $7,200, Easley, South Carolina. Showing 12,132 miles and finished in red, this 1969 Triumph Tiger is described as being in great shape with many original parts intact. Equipped with a new Amal carburetor and a clean engine, it offers dependable classic British twin performance. The Tiger models are often praised for offering similar styling to the Bonneville, but with slightly simpler tuning, making them easier to live with while maintaining authentic 1960s character. As a rideable and well-preserved example, this Tiger blends everyday usability with vintage appeal. Number 4. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, $7,295, Scottsburg, Indiana. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 is one of the defining superbikes of the 1970s, powered by a muscular inline-4 engine derived from the legendary Z1 platform. This example has received new tires, a new chain, and a fresh service, and is described as fully functional and ready to ride. Known for strong acceleration and stable highway performance, the KZ900 remains highly collectible among Japanese superbike enthusiasts. With offers considered, this bike represents a solid rider-quality classic from the golden age of performance motorcycles. Number 5. 1971 BMW R60/5, $4,000, Alachua, Florida. This 1971 BMW R60/5 is part of BMW's iconic /5 series, known for introducing electric start and a more modern chassis design. Described as running very well, it has received practical upgrades, including tapered roller bearings, self-canceling turn signals, and Mikuni carburetors for improved fueling reliability. Powered by an air-cooled Boxer twin and paired with shaft drive, the R60/5 is valued for its smooth power delivery and touring capability. With a clean title in hand, it presents as a dependable daily rider with classic German character. Number 6. 1978 Suzuki GS1000, $4,500, North Beach, Maryland. The 1978 Suzuki GS1000 helped establish Suzuki as a serious contender in the leader bike class during the late 1970s. This black example runs great and has received extensive recent maintenance, including new tires, brake hoses, fuel petcock, spark plugs, fork seals, and fresh engine oil. The GS1000's inline-4 engine is known for durability and strong mid-range power, making it popular among both restorers and custom builders. Ready to ride, this bike offers vintage superbike performance at a competitive price. Number 7. 1971 BSA 650 Lightning, $2,950, Headland, Alabama. Finished in green, this 1971 BSA 650 Lightning is described as running and riding great, starting easily without oil leaks, smoke, or unusual noises. It features Dunstall exhaust pipes and a Payson electronic ignition for improved reliability over original points systems. The engine was rebuilt approximately 1,000 miles ago, with a newer alternator and clutch installed within the last decade. Maintenance notes from previous owners are included, adding transparency to its history. As one of BSA's most recognizable parallel twins, this Lightning offers classic British performance at an accessible price. Number 8. 1980 Yamaha SR250 Cafe Racer, $1,600, Ferdinand, Indiana. With 11,286 miles, this 1980 Yamaha SR250 has been converted into a cafe racer while maintaining solid mechanical condition. The single-cylinder engine runs and drives well, supported by a recent oil change and new spark plug. Tires are in near-new condition, and the bike comes with a clean title in hand. The SR250 platform is known for simplicity and ease of maintenance, making it ideal for beginners or riders seeking a lightweight city bike. This example combines vintage styling cues with approachable performance. Number 9. 1963 Allstate branded Vespa, produced by Piaggio, was brought back to life in 2020 with a full engine and gearbox rebuild by a respected vintage Vespa restorer. The scooter retains restored original paint and features new tires, wheels, seats, brakes, and rubber components. Allstate Vespas were originally sold through Sears in the United States, adding a unique historical touch. With a title in hand and mechanical refresh completed, this scooter offers classic Italian design with documented restoration work. Number 10. 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $4,900, Roswell, Georgia. This 1977 Honda Goldwing GL1000 has undergone a frame-up restoration with select upgrades, resulting in a like-new presentation. As part of the first-generation Goldwing lineup, it features a liquid-cooled flat-4 engine designed for smooth, long-distance touring. The comprehensive restoration suggests significant investment in both mechanical and cosmetic refurbishment. Currently garage-kept and ready for the road, this GL1000 offers a premium example of Honda's early touring innovation. Number 11. 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120, $2,500, Hebron, Ohio. This 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120 features matching numbers and a clean title in the seller's name. The engine shows strong compression at 135 psi and includes electronic ignition and new spark plugs. It previously ran and was ridden before carburetor issues developed. Replacement carburetors will be needed due to internal pitting. The clutch, brakes, and gearbox were functioning properly during its last operation, and the fuel tank is clean. As a project with solid fundamentals, this Bonneville offers strong potential for restoration. Number 12. 1973 Norton 850 Commando Roadster, $7,200, Jacksonville, Florida. Showing 30,333 miles, this 1973 Norton 850 Commando Roadster was restored approximately 15 years ago and set up for touring. Upgrades include a BMW fairing, rear frame brace, mag wheels, rear disc brake, air forks, Boyer ignition, single Mikuni carburetor, Podtronics regulator/rectifier, ceramic-coated 2-in-1 exhaust, and oil cooler. The fuel tank is not included in the sale, but the bike starts easily and runs well. The 850 Commando is celebrated for its isolastic frame system and strong parallel twin engine, making this a well-sorted rider with thoughtful performance enhancements. Number 13. 1979 Honda CB750K 10th Anniversary, $2,000, Douglasville, Georgia. With 9,355 miles, this 1979 Honda CB750K 10th Anniversary Edition has recently had its carburetors removed and cleaned before reinstallation. The bike runs and shifts through all gears, but still requires further carburetor tuning due to fuel leakage. It has fresh oil, clean spark plugs, and new fuel, though it will need a new battery to start reliably. The CB750 platform remains one of the most influential inline-4 motorcycles ever produced, and this example presents an affordable project opportunity. Number 14. 1980 Harley-Davidson FXEF Fat Bob, $7,800, Cocoa, Florida. This 1980 Harley-Davidson FXEF Fat Bob 1340cc Chevelhead is described as extremely clean and mechanically refreshed. It starts, runs, and shifts smoothly, with all lights and instruments functioning properly. Extensive recent upgrades include a new S&S Super E carburetor, Dyna S electronic ignition, BDL belt primary system, Dunlap tires, RK chain and sprockets, brake components, stator, regulator, AGM battery, and more. Transmission, crank, and wheel seals have been replaced, and the sale includes original manuals and OEM parts. With a Florida title in the seller's name, this Fat Bob offers a thoroughly serviced example of classic Harley performance. Number 15. 1979 Suzuki GS600 Cafe Racer, $1,000, Port Orange, Florida. Showing 20,144 miles, this 1979 Suzuki GS600 Cafe Racer project starts and runs but needs carburetor synchronization. It also requires front brake pads and a clutch cable replacement. The GS platform is known for durable inline-4 performance, and this customized example offers a lightweight, approachable project. Priced at $1,000, it presents an inexpensive entry point for riders or hobbyists looking for a classic platform to refine or personalize. Those are today's vintage motorcycle finds. If you enjoyed discovering rare classics for sale across America, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and join us for the next ride.